How does global warming affect polar ice caps? By Chandra Griffith. How does global warming affect polar ice caps? The research will show that global warming has significantly altered the thickness of the polar ice caps, as well as been a direct reason for the ice cap melting. The purpose of this research is to inform others about the ramifications and harm of global warming. What is global warming? When the sun rays warm the earth, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases trip the radiation, causing a greenhouse effect. Global warming is one of the major environmental problems which can potentially affect life forms in general. Human contributions increase greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide and methane, in the Earth's atmosphere. How has global warming affected the polar ice caps? The front of the glacial upstream has retreated more than 8 kilometers in 8 years. The sea ice in the Arctic Ocean has melted to the smallest ever levels. U.S. researchers say scientists at the University of Colorado at Boulder data broke the 2007 record. The sea ice fell to 4.10 million square kilometers, about 70,000 square kilometers less than charted in 2007. Satellites have observed a 13% decline in the summertime extent of the sea ice every decade for the past 30 years. Investigations near some of the ice caps of Central Ireland show that pressure and winds are markedly affected. What are the ways that some of the damage can be reversed? There are several things that can be done, from controlling emissions and setting laws that prevent certain practices from occurring. The climate fix is that there will be little progress at reducing atmospheric concentrations of greenhouse gases until it becomes relatively cheap and easy. The United States will not exact costly greenhouse gas emissions controls, neither will Europe, India, China, or other countries in the world. The countries keep conducting useless meetings because they will not erect the laws needed to be effective, because the changes will have considerable costs attached. Global warming is real, and it is affecting our planet at an alarming rate. The ice caps are melting rapidly, and it is changing sea levels, pressure, and winds at sea. We can start seeing more colossal storms, etc., due to the ice barriers being eradicated. As far as findings from literature, most of us saw this video on week 3, but it fits in perfectly for what global warming is doing to the ice caps as well as the rest of the world's areas, so I've included it in this slide. In conclusion, we as a whole have to pressure the people we elect to do a better job at representing our interests to stop or at least slow down global warming. It will take everyone working in a concerted effort to get laws in place. Once America gets on board, so will other countries. We owe it to our children and the next generations to try to fix what has been broken. Reference list. Reference list continued.